And I don't think we should celebrate diversity. I'm really struggling with it. I don't think we should spend our time celebrating diversity.
Yo, hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown.
Today is Choose Well Wednesday. Just a day we send out emails to remind everybody we make better choices, live better life, so choose well. Oh, yeah. And I don't think we should celebrate diversity. I'm really struggling with it. I don't think we should spend our time celebrating diversity. Now, let me explain what I think I mean by that. I think that instead of celebrating diversity, celebrating our differences, I think we need to honor our differences, diversity, but celebrate unity. What makes us alike? I think sometimes because we don't honor, we don't value people's differences, that leads to this reaction of, let's celebrate how different I am. Let's focus on all our differences. And I think when we do that, it leads to more division, because diversity means differences, right? And we focus so much on our differences versus on what brings us together. I talk about in the video series. If you haven't checked it out, go to our website. I'll put a link here. But the idea of acceptance of others, and we need to accept other people. You know, everybody's different, and we need the differences. We need everybody not to look the same, to have the same skills and abilities, to talk the same. We need each other. We need, like the human body, we need hands, we need feet. You know, what if we had no hands? What if we had no eyes? What if we had no smelling? The body wouldn't work. And I think in community, in our world, things won't work well if we're all exactly the same. We need each other. Oh, it's easier sometimes to deal with people who think like you, walk like you, talk like you, look like you. I get that. It can be easier. We think it's easier, but it doesn't become easier because we need each other. We need our differences. Let's honor those differences, but celebrate what brings us together, that human thread. Let's celebrate the things that bring us together, while we can definitely honor the things that make us different. What do you think about that? I've just had that thought, so I just figured, hey, let me just make a video right now while it's fresh in my mind, while I'm thinking about it, because, you know, I forget stuff all the time. I think I got it and I forget it. But let me know what you think about that idea. Honor diversity, but celebrate unity. And it's a choice. When you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh, yeah. Peace.